My name is Magnus. I am 8 years old.
My name is Bowen. I'm 8 years old too.
My name is Barbara. I'm 7 years old.
The teacher make teams for kickball. The teams are uneven. I thought not fair. I don't want Magnus on my team.
Magnus, you're up.
And Bowen calling each other names. Stupid, monkey breath,
Google my kid.
loser.
My kid. You're right, Bob. You're right. Stop. We need to be kind. We can say kind things about each other.
You're right, Robert Magnus. I'm sorry.
Thanks, Bowen. I'm sorry I called you names too. Kickball shouldn't be the reason we fight.
All together we go play kickball.
There we go.
The